Your Mercedes-Benz allows you to send and receive text messages hands-free via your connected smartphone, so you can always stay focused on the road ahead. No matter what kind of phone you have, make sure your phone is connected via Bluetooth. Long press the voice control button on your steering wheel for 2 seconds until you hear the familiar sound of your phone's voice assistant. From there, you can send and receive text through Siri or Google Assistant as you normally would. Send a text message to Linda.
What do you want to say to Linda?
Where are we meeting?
You're saying, where are we meeting? Ready to send it?
Send.
I'll send your message.
To hear the answer, use the read aloud function. To do this, long press the voice control button and say your command to Siri or Google Assistant. Read text message.
Spring and 14th Street. Would you like to reply?
Yes. Sending and receiving text messages is also supported by Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No matter where you are, Mercedes-Benz lets you send and receive text from your phone without taking your hands off the wheel, so all you have to do is drive safely.